Hi friends, this video shows how to remove microfiber head or refill from Scotch Brite bucket spin mop. We can just pull the refill like this. Just pull the microfiber refill, so that way we can easily remove that refill. See, this is very easy. Just pull that microfiber refill. Okay, so after that, if you want to connect new one, I will show you how to connect the new one. Just we need to put that like this, then just press. Done. So this way we can connect it. So this way we can easily change uh, microfiber head or refill. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.